Okay, so I received this package before. It's from Hungary, so it should be the 3 puzzles that I ordered on eBay from a seller called Puzzles. So let's open this up. That is a really vibrant yellow. It looks so much more vibrant than how it looked in the pictures. I'm not sure whether this is an official backspin or whether it's the knockoff version called Magical Dish. And here we have 2 Liso puzzles or Leesho puzzles. We've got a 3-layer one and a 4-layer one. Let's take a look at this first. So yeah, this is in really nice condition. So I don't really know exactly how this works, but obviously you've got to get the right coloured balls in the right coloured cutouts or whatever you'd call them, and you can move it like that as well. So we've got a white ball there which shouldn't be there, it should be there. In this one we've got a green ball which should be in there. So we've got a space there, so when I turn this it exposes like one ball on the other side, if you can see there. So it's exposing this white ball, and yeah, you can just turn it over to let it drop through, which it has done. This has kind of reminded me of the what they call those telephone chicks. It's really noisy, but it moves really easily. So as you can see, we've got, it looks like a blue ball, I think. Yep. So if I wanted to place this blue ball into this empty space, just turn it over like that. Now you can see it's in there. Yeah, I think this is going to be, I don't think this will be too hard to solve, but it seems like it will definitely be fun to solve. Actually, let's scramble this up before I show these 2 puzzles. Okay, so you can also move the balls over as well. So if I do that and then turn it, now we can move this ball that's on the other side into this space like that. Yeah, I think this will be a really fun puzzle actually. I'm not going to spend any more time scrambling it because it's going to take a long time, but as you can see it is a bit scrambled now. So the colours we have are pink, cyan, blue, violet or lilac, white and orange. And yeah, we've got the same colours on the other side. So these Leesho puzzles are brand new and sealed. Got no idea how old these are. Slagger Liso or Slagger Leaker or something. Strange name. Let's see if I can open this up without damaging the packaging too much. Oops. I've ripped the packaging a bit. So on the end it says Liso there. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it or if you pronounce it Leesho. And there it actually says Leesho. So until I saw these on eBay, I had no idea they existed. You know, when I saw these on eBay, it was the first time I ever saw these actual puzzles. Let's see how they turn. Kind of reminds me of that really rare puzzle called a Space Massager or something. So let's see. So you can turn this row of tiles around the puzzle. It seems quite hard to turn, but maybe I'm just not doing it in the right way. It's kind of like a conveyor belt. Yeah, it kind of feels awkward to try and turn it. Oh, that's not the right way, is it? Seems to be moving better now. So you can also move it like this, I think. Sure, these should turn, shouldn't they? Yep. Yeah. I was going to say the movement is quite locky, but it's more like it's just kind of clicking into place. You know, like a cube or a pyramid or something. I guess the movement isn't too bad. Let's take a look at this other one. So this is basically a 4-layer version of this one, and you can see we've got different colours. Really, I was only interested in getting this one. There didn't really seem much point in me getting this one as well, because it's just basically a more simpler version of this one. But the reason why I made a bid on both of them was because there was like about an hour left on the auctions, and it was something like 2 in the morning, and I really didn't want to sit there for an hour, you know, so I could bid at the last minute, you know, just before the auction ended. I just wanted to turn the computer off and go to bed, so I thought, and there was quite a few people bidding on these, so I thought it's probably best if I make a maximum bid on both of these puzzles, and then, you know, then there's a chance I'll at least win one of these auctions. And when I looked on eBay the next day, it turned out that I actually won both of them, so that's why I've got both of them. So I may sell this one on eBay, I'm not really sure yet. Give you a closer look at it. Now this band of tiles that's going right around the puzzle, it seems to move a lot better than how it is on this one. Yeah, these rows of tiles, they seem to move okay, and they click into place like how they do on this one. And the tiles have got like these round indentations on them, so you know you can kind of grip them more. So yeah, let's scramble this one up. Sorry about that, but my camera cut out. So yeah, this is another phallic shaped puzzle, like the phony baloney puzzle. And yeah, in Humpuzzle's eBay shop, they're also selling modified versions of these. So like they'll have taken, so like for example, they'll take a layer off one of these puzzles and add it to another one. So for example, if you took a layer off this and added it to this one, you'd get a 5-layer version. And they've also made one of these but much shorter, so it's like they'll have taken these 2 layers off it, so you've only got this layer in the middle, and it's obviously more shorter. Okay, I guess that'll do. So that is a scrambled Leesho puzzle. So today I got either it's an official backspin or it's the knockoff version called Magical Dish. A 4-layer Leesho puzzle and a 3-layer Leesho puzzle. Thanks for watching.